can even see peace. Cause all that needs is be on you. I'm just saying I can be.
Welcome back to my channel. My name is Huja, and today we are doing my first quick weave ever. First quick weave ever. So let's get into this quick weave. She's cute. She's a vibe. She's giving summer, okay? So yeah, let's get into it. But this is the new 12A Peruvian deep curly, 20 inches, 3 bundles, human virgin hair extensions in the color 1B. So it's natural ish. Well, 1B is pretty dark, but this is super cute. I've never done a quick weave before, but we're gonna figure it out today. I feel like it's not difficult. I feel like I've seen it like on social media, so we're gonna do it. Let's just get into it. I don't really know how to do it. I will have everything in the description below. Usually I'm like a wig maker, like, and I could have did it with this, but I definitely would have needed a closure. So my real hair is gonna be out, and I'm so excited for y'all to see that. Okay, let's get ready. A wig cap inside, lashes, if y'all can see those. You get a rat tail, and then you get your bundles. Cutting my hair down like middle. Just like see how much, like, let me do this. How much hair I want out. Okay. And now I'm just gonna twist this up to get it out the way. I feel like that's a decent amount of leave out. I am a black girl that does not know how to braid. We're just going on vibes and doing flat twists. I'm gonna try to get my hair as flat as possible. Honestly, it's so much easier to do than to do braids. Like, it's so much easier. And you can easily go from flat twist to braid. Black girl, cheat girl code. If you cannot braid, do some flat twists. They're bad flat twists, but it's because, like, I'm not gonna be wearing this long. Y'all know I can't keep my hair in for that long. So I'm gonna be taking some hair products to just let my scalp get some nutrients, okay? And this is the rosemary from my yall. Just gonna massage that in. And I also got some biotin oil. And with this little white pencil, you could do nude. Honestly, you could do any color, but you just need to make sure that you're able to see where your part is. So I'm just gonna mark that. Not move too much. So you see how that's kind of marked? Perfect. I have my protective glue. This is just the one that was at the beauty supply. You just want to put that everywhere except for on your weave out. I'm excited. Are y'all excited? I'm excited. I don't see this a lot, which is crazy, but I feel like this hairspray is gonna help protect my hair, like an extra layer of protection, only because I'm in a hot climate. I sweat all the time, like, so I'm just gonna spray. We are going to take our blow dryer and just blow dry all that, and then I'm gonna do a second layer of Got to Be. Ooh, it's dripping down my neck. Oh my gosh. One more time for spray. I have the 20 inches. Here she is. And you are going to need some glue. Some hair glue so that you can glue the tracks down. Some people sew them. I don't have time for that. Like, I literally do not. Some people don't even like cut their tracks. but hair is hair, honestly. You can always get more. These are what the curls are looking like, baby. I got my tracks and I'm finna start laying them. You wanna measure and cut. So it was about this distance for the back. So I'm gonna take a pair of hair scissors and just cut that part. Oh, don't do what I just did. But make sure to get glue on the track and not your head. You want to make sure that you have like a decent amount though, because you need to make sure that this sticks. And I'm just gonna hold her here for 5 seconds or so. And you're just gonna wanna repeat that all the way up the rest of your hair. Oh, we're getting somewhere. She's cute. It's giving summer for sure. All right, I am on my second bundle. This is one bundle in my head. She's so cute already. But yeah, this is the second bundle. So we're just gonna start on that. Oh my gosh, she's looking full. So we are on our last bundle and it's basically just for this area. So I'll definitely have a lot left over. Since I'm kind of getting closer to the middle, what you want to do is start to find your part and start cutting that middle piece so that you can start laying down like the final pieces. I did cut the lace off camera because it was a lot going on. You know what song is stuck in my head? Rip Me Out the Plastic. I've been acting brand new. There. I'm gonna hold it down for a sec. It's easier when you're like working in sections kind of when it comes to this. I will show you guys the final result. So I have just a little bit of hair up here out, and then I have just like my edges out, like the bare minimum. My first one ever, like, and it was so easy, y'all. I think it's really just trying to like protect your natural hair is like the key. Finna boss up on you hoes. Finna go crazy. It's like the next day. I'm trying to get my stuff together. I went to work, but here is my hair. It's so humid outside. I would wet it, but I'm gonna wait. But here is a cute hairstyle that you can do when your hair is somewhat curly and then your hair is straight for the time being. But if you just kind of do like a little twist to the back, it kind of matches my curly hair texture. But I got so many compliments on this hair today. I was like, ew, thank you. Yeah, that's exactly how it was. And there's so many different hairstyles that you can do because it's literally curly. Like, you can blow dry this hair. It is humid. I would flip her over, but like my hair is just so cute like this. Like, I can't not. Like, I'm cute. And I decided to not leave out as much hair, so there's literally like a track here. So I basically just took out my edges and then had more up top. So I have enough to have like a middle, kind of like a side, and then I have enough to cover their back. But this is 20 inches, and because it's curly, of course it's gonna look a lot shorter. But I will leave all of the descriptions down below. But thanks for doing my first quick weave with me. Like, if you guys want me to go more in depth, honestly, it's a little easy, not too hard. It didn't take me that long either, but because I was filming, like, I can't really gauge like how much time it actually would take. Maybe approximately like an hour and a half. Because I mean, like, how much hair can you actually put in your head? But I did put in like 2 full bundles, and like a little bit of my third. But I still have a bunch of hair left over, but like it looks so natural. I got so many compliments on this hair, which is crazy. But this is the hair down in my hair. not curly yet, but it'll be cute when my hair is actually curly. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one. See you in the next one.